Hey there, Trevor here. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to close all the Safari tabs on your iPhone or iPad. Now, if you've over time accumulated lots of tabs, you can in one button close out all of the existing tabs that are currently open. I'll show you exactly how it works. First, just open the Safari app on your iPhone or iPad. Tap on the three dots at the bottom right. Tap on All Tabs. Here you can see all of the currently open tabs. You can tap at the top right at the X to close one tab. You can press and hold on a tab and tap Close Other Tabs. This will close out of every single other tab except that one. Or another option to be able to close out of all of the open tabs is to press and hold on the check mark at the bottom right. And then you can see Close All Tabs. Tap on that, tap Close All Tabs, and it will delete and remove all of the tabs that are currently open. Keep in mind you can do this for the private browsing as well. If you have tabs in the private browsing, that is a separate section from the normal browsing. I hope this helps. If you enjoyed this video, check out the video over to my right. I think you'll really like that one too. Thanks, guys.